Picture this. It's a typical morning. You're sipping your coffee, scrolling through news feeds on your phone. It feels completely normal, just another day. The world outside your window seems unchanged. But in a server farm in Virginia, or a research lab in Beijing, something profound is happening. An artificial intelligence, a complex network of algorithms, has just mastered a key task from your job description. It didn't just learn it, it perfected it. There was no press release, no breaking news alert. This revolution isn't being televised. It's happening in the quiet hum of servers. A silent upgrade you're not even aware of. And soon, your company's leadership could make a purely logical, economic decision to replace your role with this new system. A system that operates 24/7, never needs a vacation, never asks for a raise, and performs with a precision a human simply can't match. This might sound like the plot of a dystopian movie, but this isn't science fiction. It's happening right now, and it's accelerating faster than anyone predicted. The reality nobody talks about. AI isn't coming. It's already here. It's not some distant, futuristic concept. It's quietly embedded in the apps we use, and now it's fundamentally reshaping our professional lives. Writers, designers, translators, video editors, even lawyers. Their roles are being transformed. They're not just being tested against tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Midjourney. They're in a race to integrate them. A programmer can now debug complex code in minutes. A marketer can analyze vast datasets in seconds. In 2024 alone, some reports indicate over 12% of digital jobs were either replaced or heavily automated. This isn't a blip, it's the first tremor of a seismic shift that's just beginning. And yet, most people are still scrolling memes, thinking their job is safe. They're operating under the dangerous assumption that their role is too creative or complex to be affected. This is a critical miscalculation. But the real danger isn't AI replacing jobs. The immediate threat is a person who knows how to use AI replacing the person who doesn't. The new divide in the workforce is between the AI literate and the AI illiterate. In small offices across the world, managers are realizing something shocking, that one AI-powered employee can do the work of 5. A single tool can edit videos, design thumbnails, write captions, and schedule posts. Why hire a full team when AI can do it in minutes? But this is just the beginning, because AI is starting to manage itself. A new wave called AI-first startups is being born. No employees, no managers, just automation. These companies are run by a single founder, with AIs doing marketing, coding, customer service, even accounting, and they're making millions. If AI can run an entire company alone, where does that leave us? We said machines could never think creatively, but now AI is writing novels, composing music, designing games. Humans always believed creativity was our superpower. But AI is proving creativity is just another pattern. So if AI can create, what's left for us to do? Here's the twist. AI won't kill all jobs, it will transform them. New roles are emerging. AI trainers, prompt engineers, automation supervisors, people who guide AI instead of competing with it. The question isn't, will AI take your job? It's, will you adapt fast enough? Because by 2030, 70% of the world's workforce will need to relearn everything. Remember customer support chats? Already AI. Restaurant menus? AI generated. News articles? 40% are written by machines. Even Hollywood is experimenting with AI scripts and actors. But wait, what happens when AI can also feel emotions? Scientists are developing empathic AI, machines that can read your tone, emotions, and personality. Imagine an AI boss that knows when you're lying or slacking off. Or an AI therapist that understands you better than any human ever could. Sounds helpful. Until you realize, it also means AI can manipulate your emotions too. We're at a pivotal moment. By 2030, a profound societal split will be complete, happening faster than any revolution before it. The world will be divided into 2 groups. On one side, the architects of the future, people who understand and command artificial intelligence. They're not just using apps, they are building systems, automating workflows, and using AI as a partner to amplify their creativity and strategic thinking. They are in the driver's seat, becoming irreplaceable. On the other side, those controlled by AI. Their tasks assigned by algorithms, their performance tracked by unseen systems, their careers dictated by a machine's cold logic. They risk becoming cogs in a system they don't understand, made obsolete by the very technology they chose to ignore. Which side you end up on depends on what you do today. The future isn't rich versus poor anymore. It's AI literate versus AI blind. You still have time. AI doesn't hate humans, it just doesn't need them, unless they evolve. So use AI as your ally. Learn, adapt, experiment. Because this revolution won't wait for anyone. The future will belong to those who build with machines, not against them. This isn't the end of humanity. It's the beginning of something far more powerful, if you're ready.